Ayan na, si May.
Uy!
Think I did it again. I made you believe we're more than just friends. Oh, baby, it might seem like a crush, but it doesn't mean that I'm serious.
Si Britney may payong.
Somebody says that it's just so with me. Oh, baby, baby, I did it again. I played with your heart, got lost in this game. Oh, baby, baby, you think I'm in love, and I'm sent from above. I'm not that innocent.
May nagdidilig lang
Alam mo,
pala.
kanina ko pa gustong magtanong kung totoo ba yung ulan na yan?
Nagdidilig lang pala.
May nagdidilig. Akala ko naman umuulan, damang-dama ko pa eh.
Ano ka ba? Natutuyot na kasi yung mga halaman kaya dinidiligan namin.
Mga daman-dama ka pa. Tumulong ka na lang magdilig ng halaman.
Ayan
Ano
o.
naman yan? Nag-e-emote ako eh.
Ang galing ni Britney Houston.
Oo, ang galing, di ba?
Britney Houston.
Tama ng pagdidilig. Ang init-init kaya dito sa...
Barangay 625 Zone 62 Bacood, Santa Mesa, Manila.
Ang init-init.
Akala ko ang maimamike ni Wally, yung... muntik na eh. Muntik na yun ang maigano.